The last mile revolution. Are drones the future of delivery? Hey everyone, welcome back. We've all seen the futuristic vision, a little package zipping through the air, dropping right onto your doorstep. For years, it felt like a distant dream, but the reality of drone delivery is closer than you think. In a world driven by instant gratification, drones are poised to solve the biggest puzzle in logistics, the last mile. What's so hard about the last mile? The last mile is the final leg of a package's journey, from the local warehouse or store to your home. It's also the most inefficient, expensive, and time-consuming part of the whole process. Traditional delivery trucks get stuck in traffic, burn fuel, and have to navigate complex neighborhoods. It's a logistical nightmare that accounts for over half of the total delivery cost. But what if we could bypass all that? This is where drones come in. They fly directly to their destination, ignoring traffic jams and difficult terrain. This promises to make deliveries faster, cheaper, and more efficient. The game-changing benefits. Drones aren't just a cool gadget. They offer tangible benefits that could revolutionize how we get our stuff. Speed and efficiency. Imagine getting a coffee or urgent medicine in minutes, not hours. Drones can deliver packages with unmatched speed, especially in urban areas where traffic is a major headache. Cost-effectiveness. Drones are electric, so they don't use expensive fuel. A single operator can manage a fleet of drones, dramatically reducing labor costs. This could lead to cheaper delivery fees for everyone. Environmental impact. With fewer delivery trucks on the road, there's a significant drop in carbon emissions. Drones use up to 94% less energy per package than a traditional delivery van, making them a much greener option. Access to remote areas. For locations with difficult roads or in times of crisis, drones can be a lifeline. Companies like Zipline are already using drones to deliver medical supplies to remote parts of Rwanda and Ghana, proving their life-saving potential. The hurdles we need to clear. While the potential is huge, drone delivery faces some serious challenges that have slowed its widespread adoption. Regulations and airspace. The sky isn't a free-for-all. Strict regulations from aviation authorities, like the FAA in the US, govern where drones can fly. Gaining permission for beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS operations, where an operator can't see the drone, is a complex and slow process. Safety and privacy. How do we ensure a drone doesn't malfunction and drop a package on someone's head, or that its camera isn't used for surveillance? Public acceptance hinges on robust safety protocols and addressing privacy concerns. Technological limits. Current drones have limitations. Their payload capacity is typically small, often under 5 kilograms, and their battery life restricts them to short distances from a central hub. Adverse weather, like strong winds or rain, can also ground a fleet. Infrastructure. We'll need a new kind of infrastructure, automated drone ports for takeoff and landing, and smart systems to manage a congested, low-altitude airspace. Who's leading the charge? Despite the challenges, major players are already putting drones to work. Alphabet's wing. This Google-backed company has been a pioneer in commercial drone delivery, partnering with DoorDash and Walmart to deliver food and household items in a few locations. Amazon Prime. The e-commerce giant has been developing its drone program for years, with a goal of delivering packages to customers in 30 minutes or less. Zipline. Focused on a different, critical market, Zipline has become a global leader in medical drone logistics, delivering blood, vaccines, and other medical supplies. UPS Flight Forward. UPS was the first to receive a federal air carrier certification to operate a drone airline, showing a traditional logistics company's commitment to the future. The future is near. The path to a drone-filled sky isn't without its bumps, but the momentum is undeniable. With advances in battery technology, AI for obstacle avoidance, and a maturing regulatory landscape, we're getting closer to a world where drones are a normal part of our daily lives. The future of last-mile delivery isn't just about faster service. It's about a more sustainable, efficient, and accessible world. So, next time you order something online, you might just find your package arriving not by a truck, but on the wings of a drone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you like this video.